Hey, I discovered this nice new feature that is pretty impressive and can be a game changer if you're building agents. So here I'm asking, not a not very well trained user. I have Copilot, and I'm asking, what are the best Copilot use cases because I want to learn a little bit more. When you do that in Copilot Chat, then it's going to surface everything: the web, your OneDrive, your email, your SharePoint sites, and they're probably going to be duplicates, probably going to be a mess. So let's see if it's a mess. The way it's functioning, it's surfacing your graph first. So the graph is the documents you open recently, the interaction you had recently with email, chat, or whatever it is. It's going to surface everything, and eventually also going to go to internet and give you some feedback from internet if you didn't block the search on internet. So it comes back pretty quickly here. I didn't use GPT-5, and we can see that this document is in a SharePoint site. That's the same. This document, we don't see really where it is. Oh, there's two documents. This is in OneDrive. This document is probably, if I remember, in SharePoint. So several sources of documents. Sometimes I have emails coming back. We can try with GPT-5 to see if it changes. So I'm going to redo the same question, ask the same question using GPT-5. And let's see if I get more result. The context window should be better. So now I have emails. It's weird that we don't see the source of the document where it's stored, but I can guarantee that some documents are coming, and there's a new window that opens with all the sources, so you can see all the sources here. It doesn't say where it is, and you can keep on asking questions about those. That's a new thing. I didn't see that the sources now open on the site, which is pretty cool. But you see, it's a mess of things that are in my OneDrive, things that are emails, things that are coming from internet. But I don't know if you noticed something else here. Did you notice something else? What will be good? It will be to focus only on the Copilot use cases that my company centralize somewhere, and that give me and Copilot should give me access only to that, and not confuse me with other things that might be available on the internet but might not be available for me. And you notice there's a suggestion of using an agent. I didn't know that my company deployed an agent. I saw maybe one day there was an agent on the side, Copilot use case assistant, but I never tried it. I didn't even notice it. But now Copilot is smart enough to see what I'm asking might be related to an agent. So if I go there and try it with Copilot use case, which I think is very smart from Copilot to understand that maybe this agent can help you. And let's see if I have different results now. Since the Copilot agent is way more focused because it only access to a data set, what we call a data set. So here a set of documents here that are stored in a specific folder that is a corporate folder that everybody has access to, where there's all the use cases that are supported by the company, or the company want to promote them. And now I have a well-structured list of use case by function. So in finance, in IT, in marketing, and they're all coming from the same folder. Isn't that cool? I find it very cool that Copilot can suggest you to use an agent. So I think Microsoft is trying hard to make Copilot ubiquitous and do the work for you and help you to use Copilot. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel It helps the channel and help you enjoy this new feature.